Jennifer Massengill teaches pre-K through 4th grade science and technology at Hampton Roads Academy. While she's only been a classroom teacher for 5 years, she taught in the Peace Corps in West Africa, at Rock Eagle 4-H Center in Georgia, and the Science Museum of Virginia. Massengill's goal is to get every student in the Hampton Roads Academy into the garden and in touch with the natural world. As a private school located in a large urban area, most of her students come from a background far removed from the farm. Most have never planted a seed, tasted a fresh tomato, or even sat on a blanket spread on the ground. During one lesson, she took the students out to the garden to learn about plant parts. Several were absolutely horrified that she asked them to sit on a blanket on the ground. It is this disconnect that she hopes to repair through her science classes, blog groups, afternoon garden club, and morning cooking classes. 2nd graders plant gardens in a glove, and they started a vermicomposting project. 3rd grade completes a unit on healthy bodies and help plant the spring garden, learning about healthy food choices. 4th grade's garden lessons have a historical bent as they recreate Thomas Jefferson's Garden Pea Challenge. They have the opportunity to experience planning and conducting science investigations while also gaining a new perspective on Thomas Jefferson, the agronomist, in addition to the former president. Massengill had a goal for the year: give every student the opportunity to raise something in the garden and have every student tell their garden story using digital media. They used iPads to take photos in the garden throughout the year and used them to tell their stories. 1st and 2nd graders loved learning how to make videos using Animoto. They chose their photos, backgrounds, and music, then wrote their text to tell heart-melting stories of the first experiences, new discoveries, and fun. A garden blog was created as a place for students to post garden pictures and complete science and writing assignments based on the photos. This is where she also started a program called Science Snacks. Once a week, they would make a recipe using produce from the garden and look at the science behind it. Most of the students have never helped out in a kitchen or made a meal, so they also learned the importance of clean hands, how to measure accurately and chop safely, and how to work together to come up with a product that makes them all proud. She also connected the Garden Club with the Entrepreneurial Club. The Garden Club students identify their products, and the Entrepreneurial Club are responsible for marketing these products and the sale itself. This helps the students see the connection between agriculture and economics. Of all the rewarding educational opportunities Massengill has had during her career, she says there is nothing quite as exciting as hearing, "Mrs. Massengill, this is so good," or "I had so much fun today," from a child who had no idea where their food truly began. Jennifer Massengill, 2018 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipient.